Hello, Simai, and welcome to Welsh Phrase of the Week. My name's William Hugh and I'm a Welsh learner. Now today's phrase will come in handy if you ever think you're getting too deep for comfort. You can ask somebody, do you speak English? Because the phrase is, Ydychi'n siarad Saesneg? Do you speak English? Ydychi'n siarad Saesneg? Now on the streets, as you know, people tend to shorten things, so you might just hear, Ydychi'n siarad Saesneg? Do you speak English? Now I'll say that a wee bit slower so you can get the pronunciation. Ydychi'n siarad Saesneg? Do you speak English? So there you go. That's all for this week. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you here next week. Hwyl fawr i chi.